Happy morning to all. Wishing you all most and more. In this video, we shall see about the English NCERT Class 8 Comet 1 and 2. So let us proceed. What are the expected learning outcome? So by this end of the video, you will be able to read and comprehend the chapter, to find the meanings of the new words, and also to answer the factual and inferential questions based on the text. So, before going to the chapter, we shall see about the author. So, the comet author is Jayant Narikar. He was an Indian astrophysicist. Astrophysicist means the branch of physics dealing with stars. He was born on July 19th in 1938, Kolhapur. His education was done on Banaras Hindu University and the University of Cambridge. He also got many awards in his lifetime, such as Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, and many. Datta's ambition life. Manoj Datta lived on outskirts of Kolkata. He had a secret ambition to discover a comet. When he retired, he bought an 8-inch telescope and named it Dibya Kashu. His wife simply named it as Dibya. Attada, as he was popularly known, spent many nights looking at the stars through Dibya, that is, telescope. Dattada's discovery. One day, night, Dattada detected a new faint star. In fact, it was a new comet. After watching it for 2 nights, he informed the Indian Institute of Astrophysics at Bangalore. The news in Anda Bazar Patrika. The news about Dattada's discovery was published in Ananda Bazar Patrika. It was reported that Dattada had discovered a new comet. He had informed the Indian Institute of Astrophysics, Bangalore, about its location. The Dattada claimed that the comet would clearly be seen in the next few months by the naked eye. He used his 8-inch telescope, Dibya Kashu, to make this discovery. The IIA confirmed the discovery. It was named Comet Datta since he discovered the comet. The problems of Dattada. Dattada liked to lead a quiet life, but his discovery made him famous. He was invited to a number of functions. Obviously, right? Dattada was very much fed up. He wished he had not discovered the comet. His wife also agreed with him, but her reasons were different. She was unhappy because her husband was associated with the discovery of an evil object. She also said that comets bring bad luck, so she did not want Dattada to have made this discovery. So now let us see what is going to happen further. Dattada's optimism. Dattada was optimism about the discovery of the new comet. The reason was that professional astronomers were more interested in galaxies. Yes, the characteristics of the comet. Dattada told her that comets were harmless. He told her that the arrival of the comet had nothing to do with calamities on the earth. The planets they orbit the sun, but their orbits are too intricate. They come far apart. They have a longish tail. Yes, we all know that the comet would obviously have a longish tail. When they come near the sun, they shine brightly. After some time, they disappear again and do not appear again for years. The news in Ananda Bazar Patrika. So we already saw that it was reported that Dattada had discovered a new comet. He had informed the Indian Institute of Astrophysics, Bangalore, about its location. Dattada claimed that the comet could clearly be seen in next few months. The news about the Dattada discovery was published in the Ananda Bazar Patrika. He used his 8-inch telescope Dibya to make this discovery. The IIA confirmed the discovery. It was named as Comet Datta. Now, let us move on to the King's College, that is Cambridge. Dr. James Forst was a professor at King's College, Cambridge. He learned about Comet Datta. He made his calculations. He found that in 10 months' time, Comet Datta was going to collide with Earth. He wrote a paper and sent it to a scientific magazine, Nature. He wanted to have his paper published immediately. Publishing in the Nature. The Taylor, the editor of Nature, was a friend of Sir John Macpherson, who was defense science advisor to the British government. Taylor showed the paper to Sir John Macpherson for his opinion. Sir John did not want the paper to be published immediately. He sent for Dr. Forsyth. Possibility of catastrophe. So now let's see about it. A special messenger went to Cambridge to bring Doctor. He to Macpherson office at night. The visit was kept secret. Nobody does not know it. Sir John gave Doctor manuscripts to him. He said that he verified his calculations and the collision between the Earth and the comet Datta was immediate. He insisted that his prediction should not made to know be the old world. Sir John's suggestion. So Sir John has given a suggestion here. Now let's see what is his suggestion about the comet collide with Earth. But Sir John said that if this information reached the people, they could be panicked. Yes, obviously the people would be panicked, right? And they would be attacked by the comet. The collision meant the end of all the living beings on the Earth. So he advised Dr. James to rewrite his paper. He wanted it to tone it down. He should say that there was a probability of comet colliding with Earth, but collision was not certain. Then Sir John decided that a secret meeting of experts from all the world should be held. So now let us see the message. Comet teaches us that the discovery of celestial events can be delightful to watch, but can also bring in drastic effects along with it. Datta was an amateur scientist. Stargazing was his hobby. His secret ambition was to discover a new comet. He persuaded his hobby firmly. He discovered a comet heading towards the Earth. He knew it could hit and destroy the Earth, but the crisis could be prevented by exploding a nuclear payload near the comet. This was sensible and scientific approach, but his wife Indrani Devi was a very much superstitious woman. She went by what the priest said. To avoid the ill effect of the discovery, she organized a Enya. In the end, she gave all the credit for the safely on Earth to the Enya. So by here, we came to the end of the video. Answer the following questions. You can say that the Indrani Devi was a superstitious lady. How? How did Datta take his publicity? What was Datta's hobby and secret ambition? How did he succeed in his adventure? Bring out the difference in outlook of Datta and his wife in the respect of the new comet. Who do you think deserves the crown of victory? So friends, I hope that you would have understood about the topic very clearly. Now, please try to find the answers for the following questions by your own. So now, before ending the video, we shall see some MCQ questions on this chapter. Read the following questions carefully and choose the right answer from the given alternatives. The question 1. Who decided to call a meeting of international experts? You can also pause the video to find out the answer. Now we shall check the answer. Sir John Macpherson decided to call a meeting of international experts. Question 2. Thatada was fed up of A. Unwelcome publicity, working hard, discovering comets, all of the above. So now we shall see the answer. Thatada was fed up of his unwelcome publicity. Now we shall see the question 3. Comet was named as, I think it is very easy question. All of you can answer it very immediately. So now we shall see the answer. The comet name was Comet Thatta since he found it. Now we shall see the question 4. What name is given to 8-inch telescope? It is also a very easy question, I hope. Option A, Divya Bandhu. Option B, Divya Chakshu. Option C, Divya Teli. Option D, none of the above. Yes, the option B is the answer, Divya Chakshu. Who was Datta? It is also a very easy question. Datta was a scientist. Okay friends, I hope that you would have understood about the topic very clearly. If you have any doubts, any queries, please post it in the comments below. See you after in another video. Bye.